Hey guys, so today we are going to sign a document or a cover letter with DocuSign. So we're going to click right here on Only Me. Allow location, or click continue. So this is my cover letter. So we are going to do a signature here. So full name is Kate Bencross, initials. Right here, you can select whatever style you want, or if you want to draw your own signature. But because I am on a computer and it's hard to write, I'm just going to select a style like this. You can change your style. So I will go with we'll go with this. We'll go with this one. So we click adopt and sign, and then insert right there. Click finish. You can either close, send by email, have your document in a PDF, stuff like that.